everyone, welcome to the another day of our Maya Katha journey. Today we are honored to of learning from a mentor who has been sharing joy of languages for more than 20 years. All of you have already met her. She is Deepa ma'am. She is the founder of the award-winning podcast Bachpan Ke Pitare Se and the creator of Ripples. She's just not a teacher, but an award winning storyteller, a presenter, and a publisher author too. She has been spending 2 decades helping people of all ages find their voices through their stories and learning and languages. Please join me in giving a warm welcome to our Deepa ma'am, and we are excited to learn her from more. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Maya,
Thank you, ma'am.
for such lovely words, and thank you, Sasmitha, for giving me the confidence to come again. So, first time also, you gave me the confidence to connect with your generation, and today Maya is giving me the confidence to connect with her generation. Thank you, Maya. And hi, hello, welcome all for this wonderful workshop.